Friends, previous class we have solved up to arrange in columns and subtract. Now we have to start G part, that is multiplication. The first one is multiplication sum is 437 can be multiplied by 17. Now let us start to solve the sum. 437 multiplied by 17. 7 sevens are 49. 7 threes are 21 plus 4 it become 25. 7 fours are 28 plus 2 it become 30 plus 1 sevens are 7, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4. 9 as it is. 7 plus 5 it become 35. 7 plus 5 12. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 3 7. 7429 is the answer. Now second one. 283 can be multiplied by 35. 5 threes are 15. 8 fives are 40. 5 twos are 10 plus 4 it become 14 plus 3 threes are 9. 8 threes are 24. 2 carry 4. 3 twos are 6 plus 2 it become 8. The answer is 5 as it is. 9 as it is. 0 plus 9 it become 9. 4 plus 4 it become 8. 8 plus 1 9. The answer is 9905 is the answer. Let us start with the third one. 345 multiply by 29. 9 fives are 45. 9 fours are 36. It become 44. Carry we have to add. 9 threes are 27 plus 4 31. Again multiply by 2. 5 twos are 10. 1 carry 10. 4 twos are 8 plus 1 it become 9. 3 twos are 6. Answer 5 as it is. 0. 9 plus 1 10. 6 plus 4 10. 10,000 is the answer. 10,005 is the answer. Next, fourth one. You have to solve with yourself. Fourth one, 459 in multiply by 18. Now divide and check. Question number H. In that division sums we have to solve. Now first one, 4325 can be divided with 6. 6 sevens are 42. 3 minus 2 it become 1. 4 minus 4 0. 2 can be taken. 7 twos are 14. 6 twos are 12. It becomes 0. 5 we have to take. 5 will not go. It become take as a decimal number. That decimal point we have to take. Then we have to take 5 here. Then it become 50, place is not there, we will take here, then 56 8s are 48, remainder become 2, the answer is 72.5. Second one, 4528 can be divided with 9. 4528 can be divided with 9. 9 5s are 45. 0 0 2 can be taken. It will not go for 2 in the 9 table. We have to take for 0. Then 8 we have to take down. 4 9 3s are 27. The answer is 1. Then the remainder become 1. The question become 503 is the answer. Now third one, 7615 can be divided by 8. 8 9s are 72. 6 divided by 2, it becomes 4. 7 minus 7, 0. 1. 9 5s are 40. Sorry, 8 5s are 40. 1 0. Then again we have to take 5. 8 1s are 8 we have to take. The answer become 7. Place is not there, we will write here. The answer is 951. Fourth one you have to solve. I have to solve here, you have to see and solve. Then question number I. First one, word problems they have given like that. A student was asked to write 6009. He wrote 69. Find the difference between the correct answer and his answer. The student has written 6009, but the mistake he did, he written only 69. That's why the both that 6009 you have to subtract with 69. What is the answer we have to find? The answer we have to write like that. The student was written 6009, but unfortunately he has wrote 69. Then 9 minus 9, it becomes 0. 0 will not go for 6, that we have to make it as a borrow for the next number, it become a 10. The 10 minus 6, it become 4. The borrow number we have taken, the 0 become 9. 9 minus nothing is there, we have to write 9. Then 6 we have to take for the borrow for that side. The 5 is remaining, the 5 we have to write. The correct answer is 5940. Now second one, there are 2890 mango trees and 2257 orange trees in an orchard. Find the total number of trees in the orchard. We have to add all the types of fruits. The number of mango trees 2890. The number of orange trees are 2257. Therefore, the total number of oranges are 5157. Third one, the book has 756 pages. Radha reads 7 pages daily. In how many days will she finish the whole book? The solution is like that. A book has number of pages 756. The Radha reads daily number of pages 7. She can finish total days to read the books is 108. We have to divide per 7, 756. 7 ones are 7, it becomes 0. 7 minus 7. Then 5 we have to take, it will not go for 7. Then 0 we have to take. Then we have to take for the 6. 7 8s are 56. The answer become 108. The fourth one you have to solve yourself. I have solved already. You have to write in your notes. Thank you.